Hey there, how's everything going on? Welcome back to the Learn and Learn channel. Today we're going to talk about how to wick and reinstall and clean the RBA PNP coils, for example for Voopoo dragx device. It's specially used for who smoke salt nicotine instead of cigar, who has quit smoking. This is dragx with an external battery, as you see, and I use some extra cotton here to prevent leakage of the device, and I will show you how it absorbs the leaked liquid and let the device work without any problem. This is a drip tip for MTL, and this is the RBA PNP coil for Voopoo, which you can use it and rebuild it several times. Let's turn it on. Okay, this is the Ripe Vapes VCT Bold, 50 milligram nicotine per milliliter, and these are the coils variations for Voopoo devices in PNP series. Be sure that the battery is full. If you use external battery, use Samsung or Sony, and be careful about the fake batteries. This is the inside of the RBA PNP coil. This is the wire, and for MTL usage, please be aware of firing too long. We pour the extra salt nicotine back to the pet and start to clean it. Okay, this is the Coilmaster Mini version 2 series. These are good enough to do the reinstall and use the curved top and screw also to set up or reinstall the RBA coils. Here we open the upside screw, and as you see that the cotton is burnt and it's black, it's burnt to black, and it tastes very bad and has a hesitating taste. We cut one part and loosen it and take it out from the other side. As you see, it's done, and we need to take out any remained cottons from inside and the area of the wire. Please subscribe the channel if you find it useful for yourselves, and also you can use the cryptocurrency learning videos in this channel. Okay, we check the ohm and wattage, the resistance I mean. As you see, the remaining glycols of the salt nicotine here are burning. I burned them to clean them up. This is the Ohm law table, and you can use it to build a new wire for yourself with this device. 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, and 4 millimeters diagram. And also you can use the wet brush, the metal brush, to clean it up as follows. It remain inside that wire, and you clean the wire by the metal brush. Okay, reshape it easily and fire it again. This time you see it's more pure and clear. the dust is gone with the metal brush, and we burn the remaining glycols. Glycols are the sweeteners that they use in the chemical formula of the salt nicotines, and also clean the insider area of this screw by a clean napkin. And after that, we're going to wash them. As you see, it is clear, and clean up the scissors also, because the next time we are going to cut the clean cotton with it, we have to be sure that it's clean enough. And open that silicone door over there, and these are the MTL tanks for Voopoo devices, which are suitable for RBA PNP coils. MTL means mouth to lung, and DTL means direct to lung. MTL is the substitution for quitting smoke, and DTL is a substitution for quitting shisha, and they have some differences. MTL has much more nicotine than DTL. Okay, we have washed the tank and the coil and the wire. Again, we fire it a little bit to evaporate the remaining water from the surface, and after that we need to clean it one more time with a metal brush to be sure that no extra contamination is remained on the wire. As you see, do it smoothly and easily. Reshape the wire in its ordinary form. Be careful of putting more pressure on the wire, it will cut. This is the cotton, special cotton for vaping. Beware of using the other cottons. The ordinary cottons are not suitable for this vapes, and it will damage your health. These are organic vapes for vaping. And we clean the both sides of the drip tip also. And please subscribe the channel and leave some comments to motivate me make more videos for you each time we clean anything we are working with. Okay, use the proper amount of cotton for your wire diameter. It should be not so loose and not so tight, because the tight one will change the shape of the wire and destroy it, and too loose will not absorb enough juice or salt nicotine inside to the wire. Okay, by this action we take out extra knots from the cotton to make it act so easily, more easily to absorb the salt nicotine inside the coil and inside the wire, of course. Cut the extra cotton and have a smooth shape in the edge. As I told you before, you can use this extra cotton to prevent leakage. As you see, this cotton has absorbed great amount of salt nicotine. It doesn't go inside the device and make short circuit. Okay, put the cotton in this hole and smoothly and easily, and you need one more time to take it out from the hole. As you're gonna see here, I put it out and try to take out extra knots over here. This is my experience in vaping. Of course, if you have any questions, you can put some comments and questions after watching the video. Okay, in this time, make sure that you are doing so smooth, because if not, you're gonna damage the shape of the wire. Okay, put it back in the hole and be careful of putting all the cotton in the hole smoothly and evenly. Now we have to put some drops of the salt nicotine on the wire and on the cotton to start the streamlines, and we should fire 1 or 2 seconds like this to be sure that everything is working properly. And as you see, it's good enough. Okay, again some drops of salt nicotine, we use it here and put back the top screw, and now we can put it back into the coil pet. Okay, and as you see, there is a silicone opening here. For MTL usage, you should use salt nicotine with high resistance wires, as I've told you before. Okay, now we should stay about 10 minutes, and be sure that you shake well the salt nicotine pot to dissolve all nicotine evenly in the liquid. Okay, we put it back and wait for about 10 minutes to vape again. Okay, we are back here, and the last time we used the cotton about 400 puffs. Now we reset it as I showed you. Please subscribe the channel to motivate me to make more videos for you. Now we're gonna test the outcome of how we wick the coil. It's VCT Bold ripe vapes with 50 mg of nicotine per milliliter. You should not expect too much smoke from salt nicotines, and have a good time. Bye bye for now.